Here's a quick fix for you guys. See that nice little nylon spacer put on there with the striker? Oh, that's how they're supposed to work. Well, I was told half-inch PEX works, but PEX is wasn't sold by sold by like the whole roll where I went. But I did find this 5/8 inch nylon barb. I cut that piece off of and put it in the socket in the vise and pressed it right over that sleeve, and works pretty good. I'm going to do this one right now. Wow, that text ding you heard was somebody telling me that Eddie Van Halen passed away. Anyway, this is my setup. The bolt in there, nylon washers, a nylon bushing, the washers, and the socket will press it right over there in the vise. I think this one will probably take a little more force, so I'm going to put the phone down, but that nylon spreads right over that. Cool. R.I.P. Eddie. Oh, right, and there you have it. Unsleeved. You can see it's a little barbed, but that'll wear in anyway. Focus. Focus. There it is. Anyway, yeah, that's good as new. So let me know if you like these short videos, and I will keep doing them. Otherwise, I will do longer mumbo-jumboed, everything piled on together. Yeah. Don't forget to share. You can like this. You can comment. You can subscribe. I got lots of stuff to do. All right, thanks.